Hello and welcome back. Do you ever feel like you're constantly distracted, unable to focus, procrastinating, or just plain stuck in low motivation? In a world full of instant gratification, this book, Dopamine Detox, offers a simple and practical solution. Reset your brain. In this video, we'll explore the key takeaways from the book, how it works, and whether it's worth reading. Let's dive in. What this book is about. Dopamine Detox is a short focus guide to understanding why we chase instant pleasure and how that pursuit can damage our productivity, motivation, and mental clarity. The author breaks down how our brain's dopamine system gets hijacked by constant stimulation, phones, apps, snacks, and entertainment, and how this affects our ability to do hard things, like working on goals, delaying gratification, or even just sitting still. Key concepts from the book. Number 1, the problem is the dopamine trap. We are addicted to the quick dopamine hit. Scrolling, snacking, binge watching. These actions feel rewarding in the moment, but leave us empty and unmotivated. The more you chase pleasure, the less capable you become of handling discomfort, and success requires discomfort. Number 2, the detox, breaking the cycle. A dopamine detox is about removing overstimulation temporarily, not eliminating dopamine itself. You commit to avoiding all addictive or easy pleasures, habits for a set time, maybe a few hours, a full day, or even longer. During this time, you reflect, journal, walk, or simply sit in silence. Number 3, the reward, clarity, and motivation. After even a short detox, your brain recalibrates. You become more capable of focusing, working on meaningful tasks, and resisting the pull of distractions. You stop relying on external entertainment and learn to find satisfaction in progress and discipline. How to apply it. Choose your detox duration, a few hours, a day, or a weekend. Cut out all digital stimulations, processed snacks, and passive consumptions. Replace it with journaling, meditation, walking, or focused work. Reflect on how you feel, what you miss, and what you don't. Who this book is for. If you struggle with procrastination, feel addicted to your phone or content, want to build better focus and self-discipline, this book is a great no-fluff read. It's under 100 pages, to the point and easy to follow. The author doesn't overcomplicate things. He gives you a clear, realistic roadmap to regain control. While it's not heavy on science or in-depth psychology, its simplicity is its strength. It's a great book to revisit anytime you feel stuck or overwhelmed. In the end, dopamine detoxing isn't about living like a monk. It's about becoming more conscious of what you consume and choosing long-term fulfillment over momentary highs. If you are ready to take back control of your attention, this book is a great first step.